What's going on, everybody? It's another beautiful day here in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. This is just a little preview of a continuing yard tool cleanup for my future son-in-law's grandma. Another Walmart budget, super thin little machete. Handles are missing screws and about to fall off. We're going to see what we can do with this. Maybe I'll just, shoot some epoxy down in here and just firm that up for her and clean it up, put a little bit of an edge on it. But you gotta love her. In the previous video, I said she was nearly 90. Well, my bad. I'm so sorry. She's only 81. But that's still an advanced age. But look what she's got here. I mean, we all remember these from the early mid-80s. Infomercials on TV, father and son, the compass on the end, which is missing on this knife, and all the survival gear that was packed down in this handle, fishing line, and about 20 feet of it, or maybe a little bit more, a couple fish hooks, and, just silly things. And Lord knows when you're out in the woods, you got to have a bottle opener and a saw that is barely a saw, and a knife that has a bolt on the tang. I don't know if we can. Yeah, we can see down in there. Can't quite reach it with my finger there. Good old number 2 John Wick. So, yeah, the bolt is like right about here. So this doesn't really even qualify in my book as a useful knife. But for me, it's a nostalgic thing. I can remember everybody watched RAMBO, and these knives here, you could buy these for $10 at Kmart. Kmart was the big player then. Walmart was still around, but Kmart was the big player for these. It's made in Taiwan, and it's not something I really even would be interested in, but apparently it belongs to Grandma, and she thinks it's still peachy keen, the bee's knees, super cool, daddy-o. So I'm gonna clean this up for her. I'm gonna bring it back. I don't have a compass to put on the end here, but I'm gonna come up with something cool, fill it with epoxy or something. We'll do something, and believe it or not, there's still a little bit of an edge on here. And so we're gonna, and I'm not gonna do it tonight. It's kind of late here at the Cheesy Moon Workshop. Actually, took a little time to make this quick little video, just a preview of an upcoming video that we're gonna do for my future son-in-law's grandma, and we're gonna see what we can do to restore this old RAMBO knife, survival knife, and get it back to her, make it look better, put it that way. It's gonna be fun. This is just a fun thing. This is nothing to take serious. I don't want a bunch of goofy negative comments. It's going to be a fun thing to do, and we're just going to get it taken care of and cleaned up for her, and hopefully it'll at least look really cool when I'm done. So there we go, guys. Just a quick down and dirty little video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell. And again, just a fun, quick video. Until I see you again, Have a beautiful day.